I've been wanting to do a composting bin, but I thought, gosh, I don't want to go buy something. And I realized I have a million totes. So first you're going to put a little bit of cardboard, then some dirt, however much you want. You can fill it, whatever. All right, then you're going to add some kitchen scraps. I'm going to put a list down below of some ideas of kitchen scraps that you can add to your compost bin, but generally organic stuff. Then you're going to add a little bit of water. Make sure it has water every once in a while. And there we go. You're just going to shake it up and mix it up every time you add something new to it. At this point, you can add holes in the top in order to let air in. But I decided to have just a little bit of a rock in the corner just to kind of keep it open a little bit instead of poking holes in the top. I felt this was more appropriate just for our needs. There's plenty of air getting in, and every time you open it, air is getting in, so no worries. And there you have it, the reuse compost bin made out of a tote. I love it. You can make a compost bin out of just about anything, a 5-gallon bucket, a trash can. And then I have this little bowl in my kitchen in which I take and throw stuff in every day. Composting doesn't have to be difficult. David the Good even says that composting, you can just throw things on the ground like in your garden and stuff and it'll compost down. Everything, anything could be composting. So don't think too hard about it. And I do recommend David the Good's book about composting. I'm going to put a link down below to his book. All of his books are great, actually. He thinks a lot like me, like outside the box, figuring things out. Get outside the system. You don't need $1,000, composting system. Something simple will work. Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Bye-bye.